China and Bhutan have agreed to expedite and take simultaneous steps to implement a three-step roadmap to resolve their boundary dispute. A Chinese readout said on Thursday that the 13th Expert Group meeting or EGM on the China-Bhutan boundary issues was held in Beijing from August 21st to 24th. In October of 2021, Bhutan and China signed an agreement on the three-step roadmap to expedite negotiations to resolve their boundary dispute. The signing of the pact came 4 years after the Indian and Chinese armies were locked in a 73-day standoff at the Doklam Trai Junction after China tried to extend a road in the area that Bhutan claimed belonged to it. The India-China standoff in the Doklam Plateau in 2017 even triggered fears of larger conflict between the two neighbors. Bhutan had said that the area belonged to it and India supported the Bhutanese claim. India has been keeping a close eye on the negotiations between China and Bhutan on their boundary row, as it could have implications for New Delhi's security interests, especially in the Doklam Trai Junction. The Chinese readout claimed that building on the consensus reached at the 12th Expert Group meeting, the two sides had candid, friendly and constructive discussions. It said that both the sides agreed to expedite and take simultaneous steps to implement the three-step roadmap. The readout said that one of the important outcomes of the 13th EGM is the establishment of the Joint Technical Team on the delimitation of China-Bhutan boundary, which held its first meeting on the sidelines of the 13th EGM. It said that the two sides also agreed to keep the positive momentum of frequent expert group meetings and to hold the 14th expert group meeting as soon as possible. The strategic ties between India and Bhutan witnessed an upward trajectory in the last few years, against the backdrop of a 73-day face-off between China and Chinese troops in Doklam Trai Junction in 2017. The Doklam Plateau is considered an important area for India's strategic interest. The standoff at the Doklam Trai Junction in 2017 began after China tried to extend a road in an area that Bhutan claimed belonged to it. India had strongly opposed the construction as it would have impacted its overall security interests. The India-China face-off was resolved following several rounds of talks. Bhutan shares an over 400 kilometers long border with China, and the two countries have held a series of boundary talks in a bid to resolve the dispute.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.